Ang worry ko is about the children. Kasi yung kids kasi, huli sila nabakunahan at na-booster. Pinag-uusapan namin 'to sa aming Viber group, eh, nina Professor Guido. And, mababa ang ating uptake, eh, and then nagfe-face-to-face classes sila, eh. My other concern is the Executive Order number 3. Kung optional 'yan, that's a problem na baka we need to suspend that at least man lang for the next 2 weeks and observe muna the course. Kasi kung hindi natin yan i-re-evaluate, that will be a problem for all of us. Kasi airborne kasi siya eh. We don't yet the extent eh. So prudence will be, to me, the best decision na gawin ng palasyo. Wala nang masama doon eh. Sa akin din, Professor Guido, if you remember, even the past President Duterte, pag may ganitong crisis, nagpapatawag siya ng meeting sa palace and a gathering of minds and then pick their brains and then move forward. Considering wala na tayong regularity na meetings ang IATF, ano gagawin natin ngayon? And then I think hindi kakayanin to ng Department of Health lang. I think all hands on deck right now with the other sectors of society. Alam mo, I was toying with that kind of idea. Kasi dati natin sinasabi, i-redefine na talaga na dati na dapat tatlo. Ang tigas ng ulo ng marami. Particularly sa Department of Health. Tagal na namin sinasabi na tinan mo yung ating website, complete vaccination, 2 doses. Eh hindi naman totoo yun eh. Hindi naman complete yun eh. Kaya hindi na nag-pick up ng 3rd dose eh. Yung unang gawin natin is to redefine. Number 2, for national security, baka dapat i-consider na natin mag-mandatory vaccination na tayo. Kasi kung hindi natin gagawin yan, hindi tayo makakaahon eh.